All right, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to New York session. I hope you're doing well. Okay, so let's start with the dollar index. Okay, sorry guys, my wife came here. Yeah, so dollar index yesterday I was talking about this level that if we're able to close through it, then price will reach for these two um, levels, and we kind of spend the entire afternoon in that area. Then Asian session, or when the market opened, we traded through. Now I don't regard that as price closing through it, because it didn't happen during normal trading hours. So we still need to close through that, which is either London or New York. London came there and then rejected. Okay, New York is still currently active, so let's see what New York is gonna bring to the table. If we close through it, then the next upside objective is going to be here. If not, then probably consolidation. Now, what I didn't mention is the fact that this week we have NFP, so maybe price will stay in a consolidation until tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, so price might stay in that consolidation until tomorrow, and then maybe they'll move it with the NFP. So it depends, but I would probably say don't expect any big movement today. Whatever happens today is going to be manipulation. The real move is going to happen tomorrow, which I don't know which side they're going to take it. They can take it up here, they can take it back down here. I don't know. Okay, if I knew, I'll tell you, but I don't. So because of the rate announcement tomorrow, I want you to just be patient with price. Don't look for much Okay. The only thing that I'm personally interested in today is euro pound trading down here. All right, that's the only thing that I'm interested in. And then maybe the ES trading above this high. I think yesterday we spoke about it, that when the 1 hour candle closes bullish, this will trade up, and we almost got there. That is the one that maybe you can also focus on to see if they can trade up there. Gold, not a big fan. I think the rate announcement, the NFP tomorrow is gonna determine what is gonna happen on gold, and yeah, I'm gonna stay put and then see what the market is gonna do tomorrow. Crude oil, we almost got to that 78.40 between last night and this morning, but they're still, hovering around there. ICT calls it crouching. They are crouching above the high. So let's see. I think I gave you scenarios to look out for if we get hit for close above down candle. We've still not got that, so nothing to do on this right now. And I just spoke about ES. I would like to see them trade above the high. In terms of Australian dollar, yesterday we had a close above a down candle here, but we even closed through that fair value gap, but that up candle with the immediate close is still kind of holding price. So more or less I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and then see what the rate of, I keep saying rate announcement, I don't know why, NFP is gonna bring. Now weeks like this, first week of the month, you need to be very careful, because if price is gonna manipulate, if price is gonna move and we have NFP, they will not move it till that Friday. So maybe the Monday movement or Monday Tuesday movement, that is all they've done. The rest, if you play around, you're gonna get burned until Friday. So I would suggest sitting on your hands and waiting till Friday. Same thing applies to the dollar yen. Yesterday we had the immediate close below this, and then this morning they've come back up again. Right, so again, wait till tomorrow. Let tomorrow decide. Then next week, once we have the manipulation for the week done, then we will look at price more from there. Bitcoin, we've traded to the gap that I mentioned yesterday, specifically that one there. Let me go to the daily. That one there. Now that's it for me in terms of upside. We will start rejecting to come down. Now, even if we trade through it, it doesn't change the narrative. It will just be a pullback. Now, for me to switch maybe for a short-term pullback, then this week needs to close first. Once this week closes with this bullish candle, then we will look for price to trade relative to this high to that low, that range, maybe 50%, but I'm not convinced it would do that. So watch out for the gap here to hold price and send price down. Same thing with Ethereum. We've traded to the gap, so the next movement downside. Solana, same thing. Hype, I spoke about that. Nothing has really changed. So, and then Chachki, nothing has really changed. We are looking for that level 0.0006356 as our upside objective. Maybe we might come for this low before we do that. So really nothing has changed, and I wanted to probably sit out on the live session today, but I thought let me just come and give you that small update. So mostly we are looking out for the NFP basically. Okay, that is where all the movement is going to happen. So stay put, wait for NFP. Maybe after NFP the movement can cause some trade ideas on Friday, and then going into Monday those trades can continue, or price will just create a trade idea, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we can get in to write those trade ideas. Now within the next 40 seconds we have unemployment claims on dollar index, so let's observe that, and then after that we close for the day. So it's 30 seconds to go for unemployment claims. Now sometimes it can cause price to move, but I'm not expecting any crazy terrible big movement. It's just gonna be a normal movement, sometimes even nothing. So let's see, and then after that we will close for the day and drop down to the 15 minutes. Okay, so as you've just witnessed, nothing really happened. So all eyes on the rate announcement tomorrow. Yeah, let's keep it as rate announcement, because at this rate I can recall that it's not rate announcement, so let's keep it as rate announcement. By the way, it's NFP. All right, so all eyes on NFP tomorrow. That's gonna decide what is gonna happen. So all right, let's wait till tomorrow. Don't do anything today, because whatever you do is gonna be manipulation. So stay put, wait for tomorrow. After 1:30, by this time price will move aggressively, and that will create a void or a fair value gap, and then it will come back to rebalance it, and then we can get a trade idea. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.